Is your morning oatmeal secretly harming you? For many seniors, a simple mistake, mixing oatmeal with the wrong food, can trigger serious health problems like bloating, high blood sugar, or even heart risk. Today, we're revealing 7 common foods that can turn oatmeal from healthy to harmful, especially for people over 60. Stay with us till the end. Number 6 will shock you. Let's get started. Why seniors prefer oatmeal? Oatmeal is rich in fiber. It helps lower cholesterol. It supports digestion and keeps you full. Doctors often recommend oatmeal to seniors because it helps control weight, improves heart health, and supports colon health. But adding the wrong ingredients can destroy these benefits and even make oatmeal dangerous. Let's begin with number 1. 1. Grapefruit or grapefruit juice. Grapefruit contains compounds called furanocoumarins. These can interfere with medications like blood pressure pills and statins. For seniors, this can lead to dizziness, heart palpitations, or liver issues. Mixing grapefruit and oatmeal may seem healthy, but it can make your medicines less effective. Avoid this combo if you take any medications. 2. Flavored yogurts. Flavored yogurts are often loaded with added sugar, up to 25 grams per serving. Adding them to oatmeal causes blood sugar spikes, leading to sudden fatigue and hunger. This is especially dangerous for seniors with diabetes or insulin resistance. Always choose plain, unsweetened yogurt instead. 3. Corn syrup or flavored syrups. Corn syrup is one of the worst additives. It disrupts gut health, increases inflammation, and may cause bloating or discomfort. For seniors with sensitive digestion, this combination can lead to gas, cramps, and long-term gut imbalance. Avoid syrups. Choose natural sweeteners like cinnamon or berries. 4. Salted nuts. Salted almonds or peanuts add a lot of sodium. This raises blood pressure and adds strain to the heart, exactly what oatmeal is supposed to help with. Always use unsalted raw nuts or seeds if you want crunch. 5. Brown or white sugar. Even though it's common to sweeten oatmeal with sugar, this habit adds empty calories. Sugar increases the risk of obesity, diabetes, and memory fog in older adults. Instead of sugar, use stevia, cinnamon, or fresh fruit in small amounts. 6. Overripe bananas. Yes, bananas are healthy, but overripe bananas have very high sugar content. They spike blood glucose quickly, especially harmful for diabetics. If you want to add banana, choose firm, just ripe bananas, and only use half. 7. Full-fat milk. As we age, our ability to digest lactose decreases. Mixing full-fat milk with oatmeal may cause bloating, gas, or stomach cramps. Instead, try lactose-free milk, almond milk, or oat milk for better digestion. Healthy oatmeal combinations for seniors. Here's how you can make oatmeal safer and healthier. Use unsweetened almond or oat milk. Add chia seeds instead of salted nuts. Choose plain Greek yogurt sweetened with berries, cinnamon, or nutmeg. Always avoid processed toppings. These changes protect your heart, digestion, and energy levels. One of our viewers, Mr. Jack from US, was feeling tired every day. He didn't know that flavored yogurt and sugar in his oatmeal were the cause. After switching to plain yogurt and cinnamon, his energy improved in just 3 days. Always consult a doctor or nutritionist if you take daily medications. Remember, food is medicine when chosen wisely. Now you know the 7 food combinations that can turn your oatmeal harmful. Which one surprised you the most? Let us know in the comments. And if you found this helpful, like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your family. Also, don't miss our next video, Top 5 Drinks Seniors Should Never Have on an Empty Stomach, linked right here on the screen. Thanks for watching. Stay safe, stay healthy.